All right, you guys, here are all the ingredients we're going to use for our one pot Cajun sausage and shrimp pasta. Okay. All right, so first things first, we're going to cut up our sausage, all right? And we're going to get our noodles cooking. Right now, while your noodles are cooking, you can clean and peel your shrimp if you haven't already done so. As you saw, mine are already done. Once your noodles are ready, okay, we're going to go ahead and add our sausage to that same pot we cooked the noodles in. Put a little oil in there, or cooking spray, whatever you choose. All right, y'all. Brown them sausage up real nice. Get them nice and brown. Once they're done, we're going to move them to the side, and then we're going to add in some butter and a tablespoon of minced garlic. Okay, right into that same pot, okay? If your pan is up high, you might want to turn it down a little bit just so you won't burn your garlic. Once you have both of those in the pot, we're going to give it a little mix, and then we're going to add our shrimp into that same pot, okay? Same pot, we're going to add our shrimp, and then we're going to add some of those seasonings that we had in the video, at the beginning of the video, which I just used Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning, garlic pepper, and onion powder. You can use whatever you choose. All right, when those shrimp are just about done, I'm going to add your sausage back to that pot, all right? And then we're going to add our heavy whipping cream. I added a whole 16-ounce container. I'm going to stir that up, and we're just going to let it simmer for a minute. Give it a good stir. Mix up those seasonings and flavors real good. And once you have those, once that has simmered a little bit and it's all mixed, you're going to go ahead and add your noodles back to the pot. At this time, well, before you add more seasoning, you want to go ahead and give it a mix and then add more seasoning. I'm going to add half of our Parmesan cheese. Then we're going to add in some of that mozzarella. And then make sure you give it a good stir in between before you add your mozzarella. All right. And I did go ahead and add the rest of the Parmesan. You don't have to. I just chose to. You see that? Look at that. Nice and creamy. Nice and cheesy. But yep, at that point, you're just about done. You want to let it simmer a little bit. Give it a good stir. And you are done, my dear. Thanks so much for watching.